unboxing from a company that I really like. You could tell from the title and the wrapping that it is from Amazon.com. Yeah, basically got an HDMI cable from Amazon.com. Very fast shipping, around 3 days. I don't pay for Prime, but here it is. That's it. That's all. No, just kidding. I'm gonna keep going on and on, and there's tape. Crap. Shoot. I didn't bring the knife. Oh my goodness. Whatever. Oh, Amazon. Very nice. You have a tear package. Right. This is basically HDMI cable. Honestly, guys, it doesn't really matter which HDMI cable you buy because they're really all the same. Like Monster, who charges $20, $40 for a cable, really does not matter. So here's just this instruction sheet, I guess, that it comes with. And here is the cable, sheet cable. Let's just get down focus. HDMI. There we go. High speed, Ethernet with Ethernet. Very cool. This is pretty thick too, so it's nice and insulated. Yeah, that's basically it. I believe this is like 6.1 feet or 6.1 meters. Not really sure. I'll get a review up on this pretty quick because all HDMI cables are the same. If you want this product, actually, if you want this really cool product, go in it down below. Basically, you could buy it off Amazon. It's really cheap, around $5. Really a bang for your buck. So yeah, Amazon Basics. Check it out down below. It's Ray here with iRap Game. Catch you guys later. Peace. Hey, what's up guys, Ray here with iRap Game. Today I got a product unboxing from a company that I really like. You could tell from the title and the wrapping that it is